Ano siya? Si Jess! Yan, ano siya? Boy Lolo. Boy Lolo versus Baboy. Out by Nino. Ball to Jess Safra. Jess Safra. Safra. The ball go to Boy Lolo. Liap Boy Lolo. Wa masud. Kuha ni Jess. Bang Baboy. Nan bulag. Oy. Good. Masud. Bula Boy Lolo. Wasad masud. Boy Lolo. Wasad masud. Wasad mas steal by Jess. Balls go to Wawawi. Wawawi layup. Wa masud. Ball gapon ni Wawawi. 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 Kaputulan. Kaputulan. Dribbling the ball. Putulan dribbling the ball. Putulan dribbling the ball. Kaputulan. Kaputulan. Wa masud. Wa masud. Jess Safra by wani-wani. Kaputulan, dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball, kaputulan. Kaputulab. Tulab. Kaputulan, board. Putulan, dribbling the ball. Putulan. Dakugtian, dribbling the ball. Dakugtian. What kaputulan by Black. Chuyo, na chuy kayo. Sa bula to, duha ditong bula. Okay. 5-2. Third quarter of the game. Kaputulan. Kaputulan. Balls go to Kaputulan. Kaputulan muli up. Wa masud. Tambok. Nakugtiyan. 30-50 ang score. Labaw si Kaputulan. Kaputulan, dribbling the ball. Kaputulan. Kaputulan, dribbling the ball. Kaputulan. Kaputulan, dribbling the ball. What a nice move, Kaputulan. Kaputulan, dribbling the ball. Kaputulan, dribbling the ball. What a nice move. Nakugtiyan. Commercial break. Nakugtiyan, dribbling the ball. Nakugtiyan. Foul. Third personal foul by Kaputulan. Traveling violation. Goal balls go to Kaputulan. Commercial. Dribbling the ball, Jess. Dribbling the ball, Jess. Steal by Kaputulan. Ay Sinta, 35. Balls go to Safra. Dribbling the ball. Kaputulan, ay sigisi. Kaputulan. Kaputulan. Dakugtian for 2 points. 40-60. Kaputulan. Force 3.